So playing Stumble Guys with controller on your mobile devices is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can play Stumble Guys using controller on your mobile devices. So for that you have to open up your Stumble Guys, and you will probably have a Bluetooth controller or a PS4 controller. So for the PS4 controller, you just have to hold the PS button and the share button. You just have to constantly press this button for a few seconds unless it start blinking the white light. White light started blinking, it means the Bluetooth of that controller has been activated, and then you just have to scroll down here, and here you just have to tap on Bluetooth. And now you just have to turn on the Bluetooth. You guys will be able to see your Bluetooth device right over here, which should be your PS4 controller. You just have to connect your PS4 controller. After connecting it, you have to go back to your Stumble Guys, and you guys should be able to control your Stumble Guys with your controller. But if you don't have any PS4 controller or a regular Bluetooth controller, it should work the same way. But if you have a wired controller, you're gonna need an OTG to connect it with your mobile device. You just have to connect it, and it should start working without any connectivity issue. So that's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.